Hey everybody, it's Natalie and I'm back with another video. You're going to want to watch this whole video because I have some free stuff for your business that you can get, as well as some business hacks and some tips for you guys. So I encourage you to stick around. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Natalie and I'm a business owner. I own Lacey's Beauty Supply in Shelbyville, and I have other businesses, and my goal is to help you become a business owner and be successful. So if you're interested in that, then subscribe now. All right. And all my new people, I want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. I have 170 subscribers and I'm feeling myself. I'm famous. I'm like watching my back. People are wanting autographs, everything.
Oh my God! Wow!
But so thank everyone. It really means a lot to me. So let's get straight into this video. So there's a lot of free things that you can get that people don't realize that you can get from your vendors. I got free mannequins from my vendors. You can get free posters. When you open an account, I got free mannequins. Someone asked where I got my mannequins from, and I did buy some from For You Hair, but my vendors, Sensational and Outre, they gave me free mannequin heads when I made my initial purchase. So when you open up these accounts with these people, ask them for mannequin heads. You'll get some for free. And even when you get a new hairstyle, if you let them know that you want more mannequins, they will give you more mannequins if it's a new style. And also, you can get posters to put up in your store to decorate your store. And there's a lot of more free things that you can get if you just ask. You can ask for samples and they'll send you free samples. And I've even gotten things like free products when I open up a new account. And they have a lot of promotions where you can get buy one, get one free when you make a purchase. So you just gotta ask about if they have any sales going on or specials, and you can get a lot of stuff and you can get great deals as well. But you can get free things from these vendors if you just ask. Ask for samples. Every time you make a purchase, ask for samples and things like that. Now, also you can get free shipping supplies, free mailers, free boxes from United States Postal Service. So if you go online, you can pick everything that you need and they will send it to you for free. And also you can get UPS to pick up your packages for free if you just call. All you gotta do is call. In order for them to come to your store and pick up the things that you need to ship out, all you have to do is call 1-800-PICK-UPS. That's free. Okay, so nowadays there are so many gurus out there that are charging hundreds of dollars for knowledge, and a lot of these people, they don't even have a business. The only thing their business is selling you courses. So I encourage you guys, do not buy courses. It is a waste of money. You can be using that money on your business. I want to give you guys some resources for free training if you need to get more information. So the owner of Curls, Mahisha Dillinger, I'm not sure how to say her last name, but she has a free training. It's called Black Women Making Millions Academy. And you can go online and register at blackwomenmakingmillions.com. She has weekly trainings, Zoom meetings, and she has all kind of strong business people giving out information, knowledge, and advice for free. So go online and register for that, guys. Do not pay these gurus. It's a waste of money. And Verizon also has a small business platform where they're giving away. They have mentors, they have courses, they have resources for small businesses. It's the Verizon Digital Ready program. So go online to verizon.com and register your business. If you take 3 of their free courses, you can then sign up for their grant. And I believe it's like $10,000 or more. So free training, free mentorship. There's so many resources for you and your business to help you to succeed that are free. Another thing that I did was I went to Amazon Kindle and had a free trial for a month, and I read all the books that I could on marketing and branding and things like that, and it really helped me. And if you keep getting a new email address, you are a new person every time, so you can keep having that free trial. But don't tell nobody I said that, okay? But yeah, so guys, another little hack that I do have for you guys is that sometimes your vendors are going to be more expensive than other places that you can buy things at. So you can shop tax exempt at certain places and you won't have to worry about paying sales tax. So you can resell those things in your store. So you can shop tax exempt on Dollar Tree. You can shop tax exempt at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Home Depot, and Amazon. All you have to do is go online, register, make sure you have your EIN number because it requires an EIN number, and you can register your business and shop tax exempt because sometimes Amazon is cheaper than the vendor is. And Walmart can be cheaper than the vendor is, and it can save you some time. So That's a little hack that I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to me. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. We're gonna grow together. And also want to do videos not just about the beauty supply business, but about running a business and growing. So if you're interested in that, comment below and ask your questions, and I will answer them. Thank you guys, and bye.